Breaking news as John Glenn International Police respond to reports of a suspicious person on airport grounds near the terminal construction area. Steve Levine is at the airport. He has the latest right now for us. Steve, what did you find?
Terry, airport officials telling us the terminal was never impacted by this incident. Operations continued as normal and that the public was never at risk. Now, here's what happened. Airport police say they received information about a suspicious person near the administration area of the terminal construction site early this morning. Police responded, found a person with weapons and ammunition, the unidentified person taken into custody. The Franklin County Municipal Court Clerk's Office telling me just a few minutes ago they have not received any charging documents from airport police about this. Airport police say they are now working with the federal partners in connection with this investigation. We have reached out to airport police to get the identity of this person taken into custody, to learn if any charges have been filed. We're waiting to hear back. Live at the airport, Steve Levine, ABC 6 News.
You can keep up with any new developments on this story and everything else we're following by downloading the ABC6 app. It's free and easy to use. Go to your app store and search WSYX ABC6.